and I will see you in the next video. Don't know when that's going to be, but it is going to be soon. Don't worry about it, guys. It's probably going to be next Monday. I think no, not that. On the 14th, I'm gonna start doing it.
3 weeks later.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is Web Dev Journey, and in today's video we're going to be doing the very first video for Next.js. We're going to just be setting it up, nothing too fancy, nothing too hard like we've always been doing in the series previous. So we're just setting this up, and we're going to be talking about a little bit so that way you guys could start, just playing around with it at the very, from the start. So let's just get right into it. So first things first is I went to the folder and I created my I got a bash for that folder, because what we're going to be doing is we're not going to be doing a manual setup for Next.js. Just like React has create React app, Next.js has create Next app. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So pretty simple. All we have to do is npx create next app. Now you can use npx or yarn, it does not matter. But there is some flags that you might want to know about. You might need to know about them, right? So the first flag is, by default, guys, when you do this, it's going to be using the yarn package manager. Now if you don't want to use you don't want to use yarn, you have to explicitly I don't even know, you know what I'm talking about. You have to use -npm. You need to tell it that you want to use the npm manager instead of the yarn manager. Now next up is, if you want to do TypeScript. I don't want to do TypeScript right now because I haven't made a video about it, and well, since I haven't made a video about it, I'm not going to be using it. But for TypeScript, all you have to do is use the flag -- TypeScript. Just type out TypeScript, and there, you're ready to go. So I'm going to be using npx, and I'm also going to be using the npm package manager. Like I said, if you don't want to use npm, just get rid of this little flag and you're ready to go. So once you hit, actually, let's name our app. I'm gonna say Next.js. Should I say series? Nah, Next.js. There you go. Just like that. Hit enter, and it's going to create all these things for you guys. So no need to worry about it. I will be back once this is done. What's it called? Installing. So we are done. Now what I'm gonna do is just cd into Next.js, and then npm and npm run dev. And this is going to start up a local server right here, localhost 3000. So if I open up a browser and go to localhost 3000, we get welcome to Next.js. Awesome. Now Next.js is built around the concept of pages. Sorry, I hit my mic. So basically what that means is that you don't really have to create pages like we usually do. Hold on, let me open up Visual. Let me actually go back here. Well, I can't get back here. I'm gonna say cd into next, and then code dot. All right. So anyways, yeah, pages are associated with sorry. Next.js is built around the concept of pages. Now a page is a React component. So if you go inside the pages directory right here, you're gonna see API. Don't worry about this, we are gonna get into that later on. But let's go to index right now, and let's actually create a another file. And basically, guys, pages is literally your pages on the website that you want. Let's say you wanted a dashboard page, right? You would literally add that page right here. Let's add that in dashboard.js or JS. I was gonna say JSX.js. And in here, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is export a React component like we've always done with React, right? So function, dashboard. Yeah, dashboard. And then what we want to do is literally return a div. I forget that I have to do I haven't added all the what's it called, the extensions for Visual Code that I use. And this is going to be the dashboard page. I got a new keyboard as well, so Even though I wasn't a fast typer before, I'm much more slower right now because it's kind of weird. I have this, what is it called? The Master MX keys. Wait, the MX keys. And honestly, I'm not digging it. I was a mechanical keyboard guy. I had one, and I'm not really digging this that much. I mean, I like the profile and all that. It feels nice. It's just that I guess I'm not used to it, I guess I could say. So anyways, enough about that. I'm gonna export default the dashboard component, and that's pretty much it, right? So now that you save this, you could literally go to the dashboard page on your your website. So whatever you name it right here, whatever you name this, that's literally where you're going to be going. Okay, so dashboard, I named it dashboard. If I named it pig, let's actually rename this. If I named this pig, it doesn't really matter. If I go over here now, let's go to my page, and let's go to, yeah, don't worry about that, slash pig. And you can see that there you go. Here's our dashboard page, right? Everything is like, Next.js does everything for you guys, right? So pages are associated with a route based on their file name, like we talked about. Let me actually rename that back to dashboard, so that way dashboard, and then let's go to slash dashboard right here, dashboard, hit enter, and you go our dashboard page. And that's pretty much Next.js. No, I'm joking. But honestly, it's pretty simple to learn. But guys, that's going to be doing it for this video. And I'm sorry, I didn't make this. I need to, like I said, I need to redo everything. I got to make this, the text bigger. I know that. So that's why this video is a little bit short, because now I'm realizing that. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video, guys. We just literally just installed Next.js. Well, not installed. We created a Next.js application, and we talked about a little bit about pages. Now you can start creating your own pages and, you know, styling them however you want. And that's pretty much the basics of, if you don't want to do nothing else, just that, then you're pretty much good to go. In the next video, we are going to be talking about basic features. All right. Now, just to give you a preview of what we're going to be doing, this is what I'm following. I'm literally going to be following this. So that way we get a good comprehensive of Next.js, right? So in the next, like I said, we're going to be basic features. That's going to be covered in one video. So basically all of these are going to be covered in one video. Well, all the ones that we need to. So you could just kind of get a glimpse of like how many videos this series is going to have, right? So next video, we're going to be covering the basics of pages, data fetching, you know, CSS, image, font, static files, you know, fast refresh, which I don't even think we need to cover that because it's pretty much, yeah. Anyways, oh wait, we do, because there's hooks. I forgot about that. But yeah, so don't worry about, guys. Like I said, we are going to be learning Next.js to the very bottom, and I will be answering your questions that you have in the very first video that I created at the end of the series. So I'm gonna make a last video. My very last video is going to be answering your questions for the Next.js. There are already some questions. I hope you probably already know the answer to that, because it's been, you know, 2 months, 2.5 months, 3 months now. I don't even know. So you probably have the questions, but I will answer them anyway. So if you do have any questions regarding to Next.js, please leave it at the first video, the Next.js intro video, and I will give that a glimpse and make a video at the very end about that. Just wanted to let you guys know. So anyways, guys, that is it. Take care. Thank you guys for supporting me and all that. Thank you, Mirza Brandon, for supporting me on Patreon. And thank you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate you guys watching my video. It does help me a lot. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below on, I don't even know about the video, I guess. But thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.